Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan hash browns. First, gather your ingredients, including about 3 medium russet potatoes, 1 medium yellow onion, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Ensure you have basic seasonings like salt and pepper on hand. These simple components are all you need to create a delicious breakfast staple. Having everything prepped before you begin makes the entire cooking process smooth and enjoyable. After peeling your potatoes, carefully grate them and the onion using the large holes of a box grater. The consistent texture is key for even cooking. Immediately transfer these grated vegetables into a bowl filled with cold water. Allow them to soak for approximately 10 minutes. This step is vital for removing extra starch, which prevents your hash browns from becoming gummy. This process will help achieve that desired crispy texture. Now, drain the grated potatoes and onion very well in a colander. The most critical step for crispy hash browns is removing all excess moisture. Place the drained vegetables onto a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out every last drop of water. This effort truly pays off in the final texture. Once thoroughly dried, transfer them to a bowl and season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, mixing gently. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Add the potato mixture, pressing it down firmly into an even, flat layer with a spatula. Cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once cooked, serve your fantastic vegan hash browns immediately. They are perfect alongside scrambled tofu or avocado toast, making any meal special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.